Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Snapchat notification sound. The interesting thing in this video is that we won't be even needing to open Snapchat for it. All you need to do is go to your phone settings and head over to notifications. Once you're there, scroll down and find the app that you're looking for. In our case, Snapchat. So the first thing you want to do is have its notifications allowed. And after you have them allowed, go to audible notifications. So here you can see all the you can switch to gentle notifications. You can see all the notification sounds from here, and you can change them from there as well. So if you want to change the sound for any of the Snapchat notifications, all you need to do is just click on it, then select notification sound right here, and select any of the sounds that you want. You can even select a custom sound from music on the device, or you can just, just select any of the sounds that are in your phone. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.